What is up, guys? Steven Chin here with Amazing MFG, and today in this video we're going to go over the 3 reasons why niching down actually helps your marketing agency scale up. Now, whether or not you already have an Amazon marketing agency or you're just getting into this, there's ultimately 2 ways that you can prospect and look for clients. And way 1 is what we call the shotgun approach, and way 2 is what we call the rifle approach. And as you're going to see, a lot of people go with the shotgun approach, and a lot of even established agencies, they go with the shotgun approach, not knowing that long term it's going to hinder their results and it's going to hinder their scalability. And that's why in this video we're going to go over why we recommend the rifle approach, and how hyper-focusing your efforts, your energy, and your agency into picking and choosing one single industry, you guys, let me repeat that, one single industry to hyper-focus all of your skills into is ultimately going to be better for you long term. So I know you're probably thinking, why would I hinder my results and leave all these other industries on the table and only focus on one industry and one industry only? Well, I'm glad you asked, because we have 3 reasons why. Reason number 1 is ultimately it allows you to become an expert in that niche of marketing. It allows you to become an expert in that industry, meaning that if you focus all your industry on, let's say, whatever your hobbies are, whatever your interests are, whether or not that's sports and outdoors, maybe that's automotive, maybe that's the beauty care, dogs, pets, babies, whatever that industry is, it allows you to become an expert in it because that's all you're focusing on. You know the lingo, you know what works, you know what doesn't work. You can take any phone call, you can take any email, you can get in front of anybody and pitch your business comfortably and confidently, knowing that you can get them results. Right, you guys, we know some people who've actually been flown out to the manufacturer to talk in front of the board, and not being an expert, that must have been pretty scary, because they have to learn the industry as they go, right? But if you only focus on one industry and one industry only, there's no second guessing yourself. There's no, fingers crossed, I hope this works. You can almost guarantee results to every future client you get. And that's why we encourage you guys to niche down. Is reason 1, it allows you to become an expert in that niche of marketing. Reason number 2 to niche down is case studies. You guys, case studies are huge when trying to get a new client, and they're golden when they're relevant, right? Let's say if you go with the shotgun approach, and you're just taking any manufacturer, any client that you can get, and you land, let's say, a ballet manufacturer, and you did amazing for all their ballet products. And then you try to land, let's say, an automotive industry, and they're going to do super awesome. They're going to pay you all this money, and you know you can get results for them, but they want to see a case study. They want to know that you're good. They want to see results, right? Before they hire you. You can't send these guys a case study about ballet because they're 2 separate industries. The clients are completely separate. The products are completely separate. And these guys don't care what you did for these guys. So all the time, energy, resources you put into this industry, this case study, it's only relevant for if you happen to look for more ballet clients, right? Whereas alternatively, if you focus all of your energy into one industry and one industry only, with the exception to your first client, every client you have, you're going to have relevant case studies for them, right? Let's say you're prospecting for your 5th client. You have 4 case studies that you can send these guys that is relevant to the industry, relevant to their products. You can say that, hey, I know I can get you results because we got the same results for these 4 past clients. Here's 4 awesome case studies for businesses, for manufacturers just like yours. They're sold, you guys. There's no more trying to pitch these people. There's no hard pitch. If you can prove that you can get them results, if you can prove that you're going to make them more money than you're going to charge them as an expense, you're not an expense to their business. You're profitable, right? And they're going to hire you undoubtedly. So with that said, guys, case studies are gold, and they're even more gold when they're relevant, and you can ensure relevancy by focusing on one industry and one industry only. So we really encourage you guys to niche down for the sake of the case studies, for the sake of landing more clients easily. With that said, that kind of transitions into number 3, and that's pretty much the whole point of this video is niching down helps you scale up. So kind of playing off of reason 1, kind of playing off of reason 2. Reason 3 is it frees up more of your time. time that you can invest back into your business, and by ultimately investing back into your business, it allows you to scale. And let me explain this, you guys, is by knowing what works, knowing what doesn't work, knowing how to get results immediately. When you get a new client, you're literally plugging them into what you know works from these past clients, right? And you're taking all the guesswork out of it. You're taking all that time of trial, all that time of error, learning the industry. Maybe you flopped that client. You're not wasting all this time, you guys. All this wasted time hinders the growth of your agency. So by hyper-focusing all your efforts into one industry and one industry only, it allows you to free up some of your time. It also allows you to guarantee results, right? Because you have all these case studies, all these past clients that things you learn from this client, you can apply to this client. Things you learn from this client, you can also apply to this client. So it all builds off of each other also. So the results you're giving to these people are invaluable also. So by freeing up some of your time, it allows you guys to scale your agency by reinvesting that time into prospecting, reinvesting that time into creating awesome case studies for prospecting, freeing up some more time by, there's only so many hours in a day. Maybe you're maxed out at 5 clients, but freeing up some of your time with those 5 clients, you can take on a 6th client. So that's how you scale your agency, by scaling down. And just to go over this again for you guys, there's 3 reasons why we recommend you guys to scale down to one industry and one industry only, to hyper focus on, in order to scale your agency. Reason 1 is it allows you to become an expert, right? It allows you to become an expert in that industry. Reason 2 is case studies, you guys. Just remember, case studies are gold, and they're even more important or valuable when they're relevant to the prospect. And reason 3 is it frees up some more of your time that you can reinvest back into your agency to scale for growth. If you guys like the video, make sure to drop a comment below. Make sure to hit the like button. Make sure to subscribe, you guys. And if you have any questions, we do have a Facebook community. I'll leave a link in the description below. The group is fairly fresh, at least at the point of recording this video. The Facebook group is fairly fresh. There's no other Facebook group community on how to build an Amazon marketing agency other than the one that we've made. So we encourage you guys, if you guys want to learn more about this, if you guys want to launch an Amazon marketing agency and join a community of people who have the same passion, the same desires as you guys, so we can all grow and learn together, I encourage you guys to click that link below. I encourage you guys to join the community. Introduce yourself, say hi, and we can all grow our agencies together. I'm Steven Chin with Amazing MFG, and I'll see you in the next one.